Blessings, people. Big up on yourself. And I don't know, so NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production. And my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's a sad one today. Again, you understand? This news, it did not happen today. It happened from December the 20th. You understand? But the news has just reached the NEWLINK Production, and we decided so we really have to talk about it because we see nobody is really talking about it. And a Jamaican lady is the victim. You understand? Yeah, and you know what I mean? It's really sad, people. So let me just get into it and just go into it. It said that in Virginia, in the USA, a Jamaican lady, she was married to a man in the US. That man is 52-year-old and this lady is 44-year-old. So they said that neighbors in the community heard explosion and alerted the police. And when the police come on the scene, they found the lady, that's the Jamaican lady, suffering from gunshot wounds, you understand? And she was dead. And then a couple blocks away, them found the man with gunshot wounds to the head. So like him, you know what I mean, kill himself, suicidal thing, kill the lady, kill himself. And my viewers and subscribers, because it said that they have an argument in the house earlier, and the man do it and run away, then him go kill himself. But I'm saying now, people, you know what I mean? Why these things keep on happening? Man killing woman, you understand, for no reasons. And because when I say no reason, no, it's really no reasons. Because if him suspected the lady cheating or anything like that, killing still not the answer. You understand? And it don't give him no authorities, no right to kill this lady. Because in the end, yo, him just need for this. You get me as a people, but looking at these pictures and seeing the man and looking this man's face, I can see this man look mentally disturbed. This man don't look like somebody right in himself, you know, people, because a lot of times, you know, we can dare on people, you know, and we can know so them people are differently, them not good in them head, you know, the way them operate, the way them move and everything. You understand? But you know, because look at that picture. It's the girl, you know, the daughter birthday, and just look at the man's face. Him not look like somebody happy. Him look like somebody have something of trouble inside him brain. And in the end, him go turn it out, kill the lady, and kill himself. Now him left those kids now without a parents. You get me? And this lady is from a district in Portland. You know what I mean? And in Jamaica, which the people in the community also shock and feel a way about it because they said this lady was a nice lady, very, you know what I mean, great lady. And you know what I mean, it is sad. It's really, really sad. So her name was Vivian Pope and thing. And you know, my people, John, the world that we are living in today, just look at it. She never lived to see Christmas. And she was so close, 5 days away. She never lived to see the New Year. She was so close, 12 days away. And the man who she expect would protect her, keep her from harm, is the one take her out the picture. You know what I mean? So I'm on NEWLINK, I say, may her soul rest in peace. And to the ladies, them out there, where I say, yo, you know, wise up. Wise up, be careful. Please be careful. These are the last days, as to what my grandmother had say. So we have to be careful. So viewers and subscribers, I don't know. So this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say, attack, attack. Blessings, people. Enough love, enough respect.